Alright, we're back. Interruptions. So, this is the correctly deburred hole. This is the one I got a little carried away with. So there you go. Alright, I moved it over to 2.5 inches. I think that was the number I was supposed to use. Yeah, doesn't matter. Here, I put this over here. Oh, it looks like I got pretty close. Those holes line up. Let's see, I need to find room around here. This looks dangerous for my camera. Strong chance of failure here on the ground. Let's see where we're at here. Okay. If all else fails, you put the thing where it belongs. Okay, plate on there. Hole looks kind of semi-center where it belongs, so there you go. Looks like it might be correct. That's why I like centerline dimensioning. You come by an hour later after you got interrupted by 15 different things, and I still remember the numbers I needed. Turning that way too fast. When you see the blue chips, that's not a good sign. See all those blue chips? That means I was turning way too fast for that big cutter. Man, I should turn it down like that. Right there. Oh, there's another one. Move it over, 9/16, 5/625, 625, 8, back up 5/4, close enough. And get drills to go back and forth like that. Every time I cut my hand back like that, it cuts the chip short. So you're going to get real long chips. Unless you want real long chips. See, that's way down here too high. I need to crank that down about 2 more turns. That'd be like work though. Okay, crank that down. Gear change. Instead of this RPM, we're on this RPM now. That's good. That thing was deburred. I didn't even deburr it. Look at that. I'm using a big bow, a big cutter. 5/625. Close enough. Okay. Be careful rubbing your fingers across things. It stick chips in your fingers. If I did it right, these holes all line up. If I did it wrong, they won't. Ooh, look at that. They're close. Boom. Direct shot. Alright, it appears I did it correctly. Miracle has happened. Okay, now I need to deburr the other side. Now you got sharp edges right here. So I can put this right back up in here. Like that. Do my center line dimensioning. Do my vise tightening. Here, lay this over here real quick. See if I can drop it on the floor. Where my straight edge go. So, boop, boop, boop. Turn it over. down. Okay. Let's see how accurate we are. Should be right on the money. Appears to be pretty close. So even the chamfers all the way around the hole. That means you're accurate. Do that by hand. Okay, we go to 5625 again. 3/10, that's close enough. Drop that one. And we go 2.5 inches this way, so we go back to 0. We're going to attempt. Next hole. Then we go 5/16 this way. See how nice center line dimension is. Up. Where are we at? 62. 5/62, dumbass. Close enough. All right. See how it's all deburred. It's symmetrical because I did it centerline dimensioning. It wasn't data records. See, data means you come off a 0 point right here and you do all your calculations. Centerline means I am in the center, and whatever I do this way, I do that way. It's equal. It's hard to screw that up. You get data dimension, you can be off, and you flip it over, you can be off. If you're off 2 thou, it would make a difference. Centerline, you're centerlined. And like I said, I only had to remember 2 numbers, and even though I was interrupted for an hour or so setting up a Patreon account on my YouTube videos, I was still remember my numbers. So there's my numbers. Okay, so this is all done. So now we got to do is cut this off. Need to radius off these edges. Need to cut this thing off at the correct dimension. So you have a green pin today. There you go, roughly done. So, boom. Cut that thing right through the line. It'll look like that when we're done. Good to go. And the 5/16 bolt should go right through there, no problem. Because it's nice and loose there. Nice and loose. There's a little bit of a burr in there in the hole though, but see the burr on the inside of the hole? When you push down there, it pushes metal down. Watch your foot. Good thing I have my boots on today. I almost got hurt. Okay, go cut this off. We'll be back. Okay, we're over here on a horizontal bandsaw. Otherwise known as a cutoff saw. Right now it's a vertical bandsaw because it's 90 degrees. Normally it goes the other direction. Just going to cut this thing off right on the line here. Instead of doing it the hard way, just the easy way. Go, it cuts good. Nice chip. Oops, fell off. That's when Dad bought it. Vintage equipment. There's a hand crank over here to undo it. I made this for college. One of my projects. Didn't like the one it came with. Okay, now I go over here and destroy my grinding table. Maybe I'll do something a little differently. Take out my nice new grinder there. New grinding disc, I should say. I'd rather not destroy that. Disc is very expensive. Nothing like grinding heavy ass metal on there to destroy it. Just when you start grinding on this damn thing, it'll destroy it pretty quickly. So I'm gonna knock these high spots off over here with a bigger grinder. Air operated though. Takes air. Looks like that. Quick work up it. Now, I'll come over to this grinder. So all the heavy work's done. Now we do fine work. The bird, nice new disc, cuts really good. Get the edges right off. Good to go. Slap some paint on that sucker, and we're good to go. Sharp edges on anything I have. It takes a minute to deburst that. Okay, I'm going to paint this, I'll be back. Okay, it's air drying. Hot silver. There you go. Oh, it's 7 o'clock. It's early. Let's go see what's going on out here. It's making noise out here. Get your pants on?
Yeah, I got my pants on.
I can't see shit with all that light in my face.
Well,
let's turn the light.
Oh, I got my light.
Your light sucks. You need better light.
I need light right here. I don't need light where you want to have it.
Oh, shit.
Because I can't see this shit.
I thought this was shiny.
It's coming there. It's about like this.
It's all these scratches in here and dents and nicks. And
that's all you shit that you don't want me to stand out.
Oh, that's the stuff I didn't want you to cut? Okay, it's a good thing you didn't do it then. Is this a trip hazard over here?
No, It's not a trip hazard.
No, it looks 100% safe.
Yeah, well, now it'll be.
Oh, there you go. Dangerous.
Hmm.
I'm gonna have to get out of here before I get in trouble.
Yeah, please.
He's gonna make a mess. Oh, there, Ben's over right in the damn camera again. Are those OSHA approved there? UL laboratory and all that crap?
Yeah.
That's good. I can't see squat.
Huh?
You quit moving around so much.
Well, I'm gonna move over here.
Oh, you're playing footsies over here.
I'm getting my spot back.
You're getting your spot back.
Yeah,
Shoot,
right here.
that was a spot.
Yeah, this is the spot.
He looks dangerous. Oh well. We'll get back to doing some real work here pretty soon. So that's the rear rim for here. It's supposed to look like this rim here when we get done. We'll see.